In this multiple choice question, from the given option, they are insisting us to specify the correct transport mechanism facilitating the fructose movement across the intestinal mucosa layer so that the fructose will diffuse into the blood for facilitating the glucose formation after undergoing epimerization, a type of isomerization. For this, we need to understand the various type of transport mechanism so that we can conclude the correct statement after avoiding the wrong transport mechanism. In the active transport, in any port, we are observing the one molecule movement with ATP expense from lower to higher concentration. In the core transport, two molecules are moving from lower to higher in different direction with ATP expense, whereas in the antiport mechanism, we are observing the two molecule movement in opposite direction without ATP expense, whereas in symport, we are observing the two molecule movement in the same direction without ATP expense. In the facilitated diffusion, we are observing the molecule movement from higher concentration to lower concentration with the carrier support, whereas the channel is facilitating the movement of molecule from higher to lower concentration. If you're talking about a simple diffusion, is illustrating the molecule movement from higher to lower concentration. With all the specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer. We are ignoring option A, C, and D to secure 4 mark. What are the points we explained to you? With this various type of transport mechanism, we are giving a concluded statement to have a clear-cut idea why we choose an option B as a correct answer. Facilitated transport is a type of passive transport that does not require energy since material are transported across the plasma membrane or cell membrane by a transport protein along their concentration gradient. What do you mean about concentration gradient? Different in concentration in the sense one cell is having higher concentration, other cell is having the lower concentration. These two cells are participating in the transport of the molecule. So in this particular contest, I am saying these two cells are having a efficient concentration gradient. So with this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.